Here's a quick update regarding Control4 and Josh.ai. Beginning April 21st, 2026, Control4 will change how it integrates with Josh.ai. The good news is, Josh will continue to work as a voice interface for Control4. What changes for new Control4 projects is you cannot use the Josh app or hardware for Control. This includes Josh touchscreens, the Josh app, or Josh remotes. In those systems, Control4's app, touchscreens, and interfaces will provide the full graphical control experience. If your Josh.ai products were sold prior to April 21st, 2026, your system should continue to operate as it does today. Typically, no changes are required for existing systems. If you're planning an upgrade to add revolutionary AI voice control to your existing system, or planning a new project, especially if you are considering changes after April 21st, 2026, reach out to us. We'll help you design the best experience and avoid surprises.